Greetings, friends. I was talking to a friend about the third drawing in EG-2, which is the Helix, and I challenged myself that I could attempt it within 120 seconds in a speedrun. I tried, and the circle would only draw in the XY plane, and I thought I would, that I would need to draw it in the XZ plane, and it wouldn't. So I thought it wouldn't work, but apparently it does. So I'm gonna attempt it again, and since I got a good revision of it last time, I'm gonna try to attempt it within 60 seconds, and hopefully it works. It will. Even 45 seconds. Let's do 45. Okay, wait, let me get the stopwatch. So I'm gonna start from the scratch. I'm not gonna use the units command because that takes up so much time, it sucks. And anyway, once you set the units to millimeters the first time, it just loads. So I'm gonna start 3, 2. Oh no, I lagged. No. Highly unideal. 10. Yes. Now get a circle and make it 6. Circle. Okay, it's not gonna work. Shit. Do it. Do it. Okay, 49 seconds. Not that bad. Go to view. So what we did, a quick recap. You start, I'm gonna do it again, but explain it this time. Go to the home page. With the limits, enter 0, 0, no space after the comma, and 10, 10. After that, just enter Helix here and click anywhere on the screen, it doesn't matter. Enter 100, this is the base radius, 100 again, which is the top radius. If we enter 1000 here, for example, or let's enter 300, then it's going to look like a tornado. You feel me? The top radius is higher. The top radius is larger than the base radius, so this, it becomes like this. So let's enter this, and the height of the cylinder, which is 200. See, this becomes like a tornado. But if this happens, you can fix it by double clicking on the boundary, and the top radius needs to be 100 again, and the turns will need to be 10. After this, you select the circle and you click on the very end. Make sure the snap option is turned on. All of these snapping, I don't know what to call them, whatever. All of them should be checked on, turned on, and click here. The radius needs to be 6. The reason why we're choosing these settings, for example 100, 100, 206, it's because this is mentioned in the lab manual. That's the only reason. You enter 6. Now this, I thought that this should appear like this, but it appears like this because it's actually here in the XY plane. You feel me? This is the XY plane and this is in the XY plane. So I thought that this needs to appear in this XZ plane like this, but it doesn't. So you just click on the circle and use the sweep command. Now what sweep does is that since we selected the circle, now it needs a path which it will sweep. So this is the helix is the path, and why we're doing this is the helix is really how do I say, there's no thickness in it. There's no thickness to it. So once we use the sweep command, we'll get a thickness of 6 mm continuous. So we just click anywhere on the helix to select sweep path as it says here, and done. Then you click on it, go here, wait, oh, after you do this it only appears as a circle, so you have to click on it and type realistic, visual style realistic, only then it shows up. But since I had already done that in this drawing with this one, I didn't have to do it here. But you will have to do it. Go on by layer and choose a color. This one's the right color, I think. Right, so a recap once again. You start with limits, then type in helix, base radius, top radius, height of the cylinder 100, 100, 200. Then double click on the helix and get change the number of turns to 10. After that, use the circle, put a circle on the bottom or on the top, anyway, I won't judge, and use the sweep command and then set the visual style to realistic, and you can change the color to red or whatever you like. Now how to view, how to change the view properly, because as you can see, wait, should I pull up the PDF? Wait, now as you can see, this is the engineering graphics manual, refined, the 3rd version, and if you're using the normal version you're missing out. Please use the refined version. This is the 3rd one, and the best thing about this is you can just click on the index to reach, I don't know what the word is, but to reach where you need to. So I clicked on this, it's not the 7th one, it's the 8th one, I think. Draw 3D, okay, 8th one. Yeah, so this is the spring, and so the diameter is 12 mm, but we enter the radius, so we entered 6 mm. So this is the sort of what do you call it, this is the view that they've used. So what so how do we achieve this view when right now it looks like this? So for this, click on this and go to NE Isometric and click on right. Okay, I just failed terribly. Dude, it worked the last time. Wait. Okay, I figured it out. It's these two. These buttons are the key. So now you hold the control key to change this angle, something like this. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. This is pretty good. It's pretty good in it. It's not exactly like this one looks like this. You can just do this. Yeah, looks good now. You can delete the second one. I think this is good enough. It is good enough. The orientation is a little inaccurate, but I can deal with it. No, I can't. I think this looks good enough, dude. This looks good enough. Then you go to the output screen, page setup manager, modify, select high quality print, window, and do this. Okay, no, center the plot and get the preview. In the preview it looks a little bit like it's pixelated, but I promise. Let me print it. Right, so this is pretty good and it's pretty accurate. Not that accurate, but pretty accurate. It looks good, I like it. Alright, this is it. I'm gonna attempt the speedrun for the gasket too. That would be fun because it has a lot more details that I need to remember. And I'll see But I don't know if I can actually perform a speedrun for it because it has so many technical details. The like each circle has a different radius, and that would be interesting. I would have to remember a lot of stuff. But it's more about commands, and I think we can use a reference drawing. That's totally okay. Yeah, reference drawing is good. Okay, on to the gasket speedrun. Thank you.